straight down this street on this windy typhoon night. Category 8 is going to be issued in a couple hours. You can see a lot of these buildings. You can see some of the taped up. Some of them look like, ooh man, they could be up there. Typhoon. It's pretty windy right in the spot. So we're going to be going straight down this way.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna head out this way, and we're in category 3 right now, and category 8 is going to be in a couple hours at 10:30 at night. It's about 7:30 in the evening right now, and we're just kind of seeing how things are getting set up here. So I'm going to walk down, and I'm look for some storm guards and just kind of see what they're doing to get ready for tonight. Oh, that's the second siren I've heard. That's another siren going already. There's a little corner street. Budong, Tehong Chau. That's our cross street right here. Yeah, the winds are really picking up. So actually you can see some of this protection right here already, right? So they put some tape here, and then they got a big metal guard underneath on the other side of the water, on the other side of the window. Ah, okay. Let's see what else we see down the street. So yeah, that's the more of the windy side. But actually it's pretty windy right here already. Ooh, it's gonna be a big storm. You can feel it in the air. Yeah, it hasn't even hit the category 8 yet. And it's basically going to be going all day tomorrow, all day tonight, all day tomorrow, and all night tomorrow night. So yeah, we're bracing. The sign's already moving. It's not even category 3 yet. It is category 3, but oh, these are going to be start moving. All these things are going to be moving quite a bit already. You see the sign already. Oh man, it's going to be a big one. Yeah, actually, these ones, as well as these 3-4 years ago, a lot of these would just blow right off. So you might see those gone tomorrow. Man, that one is like flying right there. Oh man. This is about to get out of here before the category 8 is issued. Let's see what else we're getting. Okay. Some of the stores are still open, but these will all be closed later. So yeah, they issued the category 8. It's going to be at nighttime tonight. These are already down. That's already. So they still got a few hours before category 8, but these one already closed down for the night. Okay, suddenly the wind isn't so strong in this area. It's pretty strong. So the way the wind's kind of coming around in this spot, it's like a little bit protected. Okay. Should be an interesting evening tonight. Yeah, these trees look pretty gentle on this street. I can hear the wind in the background though. I can hear it blowing heavy in certain areas. Okay, it should be interesting. Be an interesting night. 2 nights. It'll be interesting 2 nights coming up. Yeah, I remember when it's really bad typhoons, you can hear there's a certain sound that it makes all night long. So, kind of anticipating that for the next couple of days. Let's see. Okay. So we're gonna be walking straight down that way. 24 hours. So it looks like they protected this one already. That might always be that way, I don't know. It's kind of quiet. Feel this quiet of the storm. Okay, So that's the wall coming down. So they actually put this, oh yeah, this is usually all windows. So they actually did protect this already. So yeah, they brought down all the guards because that is usually all windows. So this whole building is basically all wrapped around already. Okay, let's keep on going and see what else we can see. It's the fire department, I believe. And our street is called Rua de Nam Kang. So walking down Rua de Nam Kang right now. We got the fire department's coming up next. They might be busy. So you kind of see in through the windows a little bit. This was all open in the daytime when I walked by. Okay. Rua de Nam Kang. And if we kept walking, this would keep going underneath this sky pass here. But we'll probably end this video coming up to the end of the street. But yeah, this street goes all the way down as well. So we're not going to go all the way down. It's a nice barber shop right there. Okay. And later we can go up that way, kind of look down. That's our quiet street at the moment. Let's see. Let's just kind of take this all in. Kind of want to go up there and just take a look from that direction. Yeah, I wonder if they're going to remove all this stuff or not tonight. Okay, so we're gonna head on up this way, go up that way. Okay, so that concludes this street. So yeah, we basically just walk straight down this way, and you can kind of see, it feels kind of quiet, it feels kind of peaceful at the moment. We'll see what that's like for the next couple days. Might be fine, I don't know. There's another typhoon that was a few days ago and it was fine, and it's pretty normal. That's the other. If we went all the way down, the street would go all down that way, and then way down there is Morpheus Casino and City of Dreams Casino on the Cotai Strip. Okay. So let's end this one right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.